ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗಣಪತ್ ಚಲ್ದಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್,
ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೇನೋ ಬಾಯಿಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು
ಹೇಗೆ ಶೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫೀಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Which is the most shining moment of your life?
Father and superstar Rajinikanth sir saw Jogi together.
So it's just an evening and everybody is bound to shine.
There are quite a few. I just can't pick one.
I have shining moments every single day.
It has to definitely be when I joined the industry.
Walking the IFA awards right now.
Okay. Or for my mother to just give me birth, and I think that was the most shining thing she gave us.
Right now,
Wow. Okay.
at the IFA Awards.
Okay, maybe Ramachari's release.
On a personal note, the birth of my son.
I'm assuming every day that I wake up is going to be a shining moment in my life, and that's what keeps me running.
The shiniest moment, I think, when I married.
I think the beauty of life is that as you keep experiencing it, your definition of happiness keeps changing.
When I do a film in Tamil, that is sold in all languages.
I think when my son was born, my first son, it was a different feeling altogether.
Being on stage every time.
Who other than you do you think would shine this evening?
I think Parul is doing one more this one. I think, and our people, Akul and Raghu, Vijay Raghavendra, I think they are going to host the show. I think they will also rock today, I feel.
Oh, I don't think there's one person that's going to shine. All the ladies are going to shine for sure because we're all sparkling.
All the winners. All the winners.
So there's a more deserving candidate than I am in this category, and I have voted for him as opposed to me is Mr. Arun Swami.
Shivraj Kumar sir.
Hey, I know.
So today you can't tell who.
Right.
So we are waiting, like you.
I think I'm expecting a lot of people to look good and shine and everything. And I think every artist looks good. But yeah, I'm looking forward to see what people are wearing and how they're going to be dressed today, for sure.
I want you to hold this IFA trophy in hand and give me a winning speech.
Thank you, all the best, and thanks for my directors who had a faith on me and making me to win this beautiful IFA award.
Well, I'm glad I got this IFA and I'm really thankful for my parents, my directors and all of media. Thank you very much. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, yeah. I can't believe this. Thank you, Gioni. Without you guys, this wasn't possible. I would like to thank my makeup artist. Please, can you come here? He really made me look so good. Thank you so much. He's my makeup artist. Thank you. My driver, my boy, my hairdresser. Yeah, she. Thank you, everybody. South deserve this, and I love IFA.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್, ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್, ಗಾರ್ಜಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣೋ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಗಳು, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣೋ ಹೀರೋಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಆ ಮೋಜು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ತಡ ಯಾಕೆ, ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಮಿನೀಸ್ಗೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಇವೆಂಟ್ನ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಫಾರ್ಚ್ಯೂನ್ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವ ಐಫಾ ಉತ್ಸವಂ 2015 ಕೋ ಪವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಿಯೋನಿಯಾ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್